Hi friends, generating new business leads and collecting new business lead is always a prime objective for websites. In the last video, we learned how to create very effective and conversion centric landing pages for any advertisement campaign or generic uses. In this video, we are going to learn how to integrate automated chatbot for collecting the leads for your business. So this is going to be very important video for marketing point of view, and if you are a digital marketer, it is really going to be helpful, as you always need to collect more and more leads for your website or for your client's website, and your client may be needing the good number of leads using any medium of campaign. So it is important to have all the visitors to convert into a lead for business acquisition and next level of discussion. Generally, visitors do not respond on the mobile numbers or the email IDs displayed on the page, and generally they do not even fill the contact us form. So this is being imperative to utilize some very effective call to action, so that visitor may be attracted towards that and fill the requisite information to convert like a lead, and that is going to be very helpful in generating or acquisition of new business. So the chat system is being very popular nowadays, but in a chat system you have to be available for answering your visitors queries, and that would not be possible if you are a single business owner and if you have limited number of human resources to handle the live chat. So this is going to be a very alternative and very effective alternative to apply a chatbot at your website, so that you may get all the leads, all the visitor leads, or get the maximum number of leads from the visitors, and do not skip or do not leave any visitor unattended. So it is important, of course, and we are going to implement a automatic chat collection bot in form of chat itself in this video, and we will implement this chatbot system for collecting lead. We will preview all the options, we will explore all the possibilities in this video. So watching this video until the end, it is going to be very important for you, because you have to use this feature up to a maximum level, so that you may get maximum number of leads and conversions. So let us begin. We are going to use collect chat chatbot system for collecting the lead, and this is of course for a WordPress website. In this channel, maximum solution are being displayed for WordPress website only. So this is also for WordPress websites. So if you are a owner of a WordPress website, you can implement this chatbot feature easily for collecting the leads. So this is being the Google search for collect chat. You have simply typed collect chat in the Google search, and you will find this result, and we have to go in the chatbot for WordPress option, and we have already a demo website. Like yesterday only, in the last video only, we have created this landing page website, and on this website we are going to implement and configure the automated chat option for collecting the lead, and this is going to be really very important. And watch this video until end, you are really going to get benefited, and your number of leads and inquiries are going to be raised up to 10%, okay, 10 times, sorry, in fact up to 10 times after implementing this feature. So don't leave this video and use this feature. I can assure you, you are going to be get any benefited. And if you are a digital marketer, as I told you, it is going to be very important for you to provide this feature to your prospective clients. Okay, so let us come to the point now. This is being the collect chat, and you have to download a plugin. It is marked here like install WordPress plugin, and I have already downloaded this plugin. This is being the plugin. This is collect chat version 2.2.7, and we are going to implement the collect chat collection, lead collection system on the website, on a demo website. This is the demo website, and we will upload the plugin. Just download it, go to the plugin section. Okay, click on add new and upload plugin, choose file, and here you need to choose the downloaded plugin and click on install now. Okay, it got installed in just a second. Just activate the plugin, and now the configuration starts. So first and foremost thing what you have to do is to create a free account. This solution is absolutely free, and at least if you don't want to use the premium features, it is free, and the free feature will definitely work fine, and that is more than enough for you. I am sure about this. So just follow the instructions shown in the video, and you shall be able to integrate this system properly at your WordPress website. So just be with me. And first of all, we need to create a free account, and it is very simple to create a free account on the dashboard. Okay, so we are using only the demo email IDs, so don't copy or don't send any email IDs. I am not blurring my email IDs. I am not using those. In fact, those are made for only demonstration purposes. So don't send any mail. That is not going to be help you anyhow. And I am just creating an account and just showing how to create an account and integrate all such stuff. So I am using an email ID and putting a password. Sorry. Okay, so this is not exactly for you, and I have created a account, and it is very simple. It even don't need any confirmation. You can put, but you have to use a valid email ID, just remember. So don't use any fake email ID, that is not. So there is an user guide, and it is a tutorial type thing. So 5-step tutorial is for you. You can read all this tutorial as well, but I am going to show you all these things working. So you may skip that. So this is the dashboard which we got after creating the account, after putting the credentials, and we have to set this dashboard and all the features which we need at our website. First, let us assume let us go one by one. So first of all, we have to build the chatbot for our website, and I'll show you how we are doing this. So you can select 3 positions where you want to show this chat. This is being the display, I mean this is being the view how chatbot will look like, and you can change the position, like this is being your web page, and this is being the area of your web page, and it is showing how it will be visible at your website. So if you select the left bottom, it will be left bottom, and you can select to be here as well. So it is very simple, and you can keep it on right bottom. So mostly people keep this chat icon on the right bottom, so we are using the chat right bottom. And now you can select the avatars. So I am choosing this avatar, and again you can change the color. Okay, so color can be changed. And welcome message, you can, if you want to keep the welcome message, you can keep it, or you can switch it off. If you are switching it off, so no message will be displayed, and if you are making it on, this message will be displayed. And this collect chat branding cannot be off in the free version, so you need to take premium version, but it is not required, leave it at as it is. Okay, so next is a script. This is being the main part of configuration. Now these are the information which we can collect in the chatbot. So I am simply deleting, let us say you are having a diet control website, and this is the website landing page for a diet advisor. So it like body fitness like things. So let us put some questions according to this business for demonstration purpose. So this is done, and we can go to the dashboard. Okay, sorry, this is being the dashboard. So first question is, by default here is what are you looking for. You can edit this question, it doesn't matter. So you can remove this hand moving hand item, and you can even, I'll show you, you can even delete it completely, and even delete it completely. Okay, so no messages here. And let us first put a welcome message for your website visitors. So we will use this message option for this. It is saying hello, and you can write anything here. Welcome to the first step for maintaining your diet. So I am making this for a diet control website. This is why I wrote this, and you can put as you need as text you want to display to your visitors as a welcome message. Okay, so it is done. So this is being the welcome message at the very first instance. And now we can have some multiple choice questions. So like this option will give you multi choice, and okay, so select an option is multi choices, select an option. So how you want a help from us. So this is being the question, and you can keep this skip button on or off as required. If you want to give a privilege to your visitors to skip this question, you can keep it on. And like this is for WEI, weight loss. Second can be the diet. Third can be body fitness, and like all this. So I just put here some illustrative text. Okay, so this is also done. Okay, if you want to ask the name of your website visitors, ask a text question. Okay, so if you are asking the name, you can simply ask what we may call you, or what is your name, simply. So this is being the third questions of your bot. Your bot is getting ready in this step. So users reply are here. So in the welcome message there was no user reply, that was not required, and in the second question user reply was required. So we selected the multi choice options, and third one is the name, and we used the text questions here. And next you can ask the email ID so that you may start your interaction, sharing the plans, that plans and all such things. So taking email ID is always necessary for collecting leads. So okay, so what is your email address? So answer is very simple, and it has email validation check as well inbuilt in the system. So reject email providers like Yahoo, Gmail and more. So if you want to have only official email ID, you can keep it on, but don't make it on. It is leave it as it is. I am saying leave it as it is. You need to have all the email IDs. Okay, so it is fine. Now next you can ask the phone number or whatever you want. I am just showing the features how you can do this. So here please type your phone number. Please here your phone number should be good, and you can even skip if you don't want to keep it as mandatory, but email phone number is also very important. Okay, so next is multi select. If you want to have a multi select option, you can use this like simple action. So in this case we don't need multi select, so I am not using this. And next is list. I mean, if you want to show the number of list, I mean simple option and suggestions, so you can list these options. So like we have following services for you. Okay, so simple option is fitness tips. New suggestion can be diet chart plans. Okay, so I'm just putting so error new suggestion wellness classes. Okay, so it is also done. Okay, and if you want to put any number, if you want to show any number, so you can use this number. So choose a number like how many items you need. So you can choose how many products you need. Okay, so you can keep it as a skip option. Minimum digit can be 1, maximum let us say can be 5. So okay, so it is also put. Similarly, you can use all these options, and there is one very important option, so that is appointment feature. This is really very effective for some of business like a dietitian website. It is very important. So I'm just using the appointment option as well. So, book an appointment. So, this is having all inbuilt features for booking an appointment, like book an appointment meeting. So, edit availability. So, if you want to set the availability of your time on which you can provide the appointment for meeting or discussion, so it is all here. So, you can select the days, and if you are closed on Sunday and you work from Monday to Friday, you can select here, and even Saturday, and you can put the time here. It is in this case it is according to India time. So, time zone will be taken as for fixing the appointment. So, I am setting it from India, it is showing Indian time zone, and it may be different for your country time zone. Okay. So, it can be like 10 am to 5 pm, and you can keep it is in 24-hour format, except one appointment for 30 minutes, 50 minutes or 60 minutes, whatever may be applicable in your case. And if you want break or block availability break minutes, so you can put it here, block availability for first 4 hours at the booking time. So, it is all up to you what setting you need, and simply it is done. Okay, so we have also configured the appointment feature. Now, next is WhatsApp. It is also very important. So, WhatsApp message, you can put your number here if you want, confirm on WhatsApp. So, if you want to put your WhatsApp number, you can give this option for visitors in fact. So, WhatsApp number, confirm on WhatsApp, button text, and you can ask the WhatsApp number of visitors, and message heading. So, okay, so we are just putting the simple number here. Okay, so your details can be filled here, and WhatsApp is also done. And last but not least, thank you. So nice chatting with you, and you can also edit this option. And wonderful thing is that here you can change the button labels, which I am showing you. Okay, so and even you can change the redirect URL, like it can be just for example https wp themes.co.in. Okay, fine. So it is also done, and now we have completed the script portion. Sorry. Now it is time to check all these setting at our website. So next is the share tab on the dashboard, and since we are using this for a WordPress website, we will use this option. So this is the script, and plugin we have already installed, and you can use this collect chart option for different. So for a regular website, if it is made on HTML, you can use this. It is not a restriction, but in this video I am showing you just how to implement on a WordPress website, but you can use on any type of website like Shopify, Squarespace, and Cloudflare powered website, and general website on a normal HTML website as well, and even other places. So code is here. So in our case we are using it on WordPress, so we will use this WordPress website option and simply select all and copy it, and now go to the WordPress installation, and here is the chatbot snippet where we have to paste the code snippet and simply hit on save. Now again, here is also an important setting. If you want to show this chat option, I mean auto chat option, chatbot option, whatever you can say this for lead collection throughout the website, choose it everywhere. And if you want to show this at home page only, you can choose the home page only. And even if you want to not to show on home page but everywhere on your website, so you can choose this everywhere except home. And for the time being, just in case if you want to disable and not to show this chat collection or chatbot options, so you can select nowhere. So we are selecting everywhere in our case. Okay, so this is done, and you have nothing to do at WordPress installation interface here. And now we are good to check our website, and let us see how it works. Okay, I am waiting. Yes, so we are here, and sample option is here. Okay, so okay, so let us see. Chat option and script. So the important thing is that unpublished changes remained, and we have already set all these things, and finally we have to publish it. This is very important. This is why it is not showing our setting. Now it is published, and it takes a second only. And now we can again refresh the page, and now we will see the magic of this chatbot. And here it is. Welcome to the first step of maintaining your diet as we configured in the dashboard. This is the first question, welcome question, and it is being displayed here. And I'll show you next all options. So it is the first question, and simply once the visitor clicks on this, the automated chatbot will open, and it is asking new questions. How you want to help from us, like health diet. Okay, so the visitor's answer is health diet, and this was our second question. And what we may call you is our third question. So it is asking what we may call you, and we will say it legend of WordPress. It is wpthemes.co.in. Okay, so I'm just putting the sample text. Okay, what is your email address? Oh, okay, great. So it is connect@wpthemes.co.in. okay, and please share your phone number. Okay, 9898989898. So it will take the country code automatically from where it has been registered, so don't worry for this. And we have following services for you. Okay, so services is not being displayed somehow, so we can check this. We have following services for you, and suggestion, there was some suggestion. Type your answer. Okay, so it is working. Fitness tips, and as so that was in suggestions. So as soon as the visitor clicks here, so it will show the suggestions what he want to have. The fitness tip, like fitness tips, so it is here. And okay, so suggestion was visible. And how many products you need, so we are allowed to skip this question, so the skip option is here. However, visitor can answer this like 5 and enter. and the main feature is now here. If visitor want to book an appointment or meeting or discussion session, so book an appointment option is here, and just so we are checking from visitor point of view. Okay, wait, why it is not working, I don't know. Okay, so my browser is not allowing some pop-up, I believe. Page unresponsive, you may wait for response, exit or page, exit page. Okay, okay, sorry, it went wrong. And okay, so all is maintained, don't worry for that. And if we click on book an appointment, it should work. I believe I'm already logged in, this is why it is not showing up. So we can check this on a private browser, so we can wait. It is asking for wait. I believe it is due to I am logged in, so I will open the same website on a private browser. Okay, let it exit the page, and something went wrong. It may be some internet issue, or I have already blocked all the pop-ups and such things. I'm opening in a private browser, and let's check it quickly. Testing is always important part, this is why I am not hiding anything. So okay, so health chat, and I call UWP themes, email address is connect at UWP. Okay, and this is the suggested, so this is and if we put the wrong number of products, it will not take. So we have okay, so book an appointment. Somehow book an appointment is not working. I'm just rechecking all the settings of book an appointment, and we can even change the template of email, so everything seems to fine here. And okay, accept one appointment per 30 minutes. Okay, and done, and just publish the change. Now we can check it like here. So I never hide anything in my videos, this is the beauty of this channel. So if I am facing any problem, I am just showing the problem so that you may also handle in the similar manner in which I am handling. And it is saying wait page, wait, it is not getting connected to the Google Calendar and also things. So we will check the mail whether it needs any confirmation like thing. this is just a welcome message. Okay, so all looks good, and okay, so where are single reload. Okay, not a problem. So I'm leaving the appointment feature. I'm just changing the appointment feature uh, just to complete the setup. Let us remove this for the time being, maybe some other time, and I'll add a fix in the description of this video. So that is not a problem, and we shall publish it now. Okay, so let us recheck this. And again it is here. Okay, so I believe there is some crash in my operating system. This is why it is not working properly, but on the application Google Chrome pose. Okay, so we can send the report so that it may be rectified. Connect. And we have collected email ID, phone number and all basic information, and we can skip this. And now it is complete, and somehow appointment was not working, but it is complete, and now in the button is here, and it can be redirected to the URL which we have given, and in our case it is on WP themes. Okay, so let me check the appointment why it is not working again. Okay, so I got the problem in fact. So we need to select the user's email, what is your email address, so that appointment may go to the user as well. So rest of things are good, and editability okay, good. Sunday and all day can be good. Okay, so just select what is your email address from the drop down, and edit cancellation mail, edit permission mail, and now it is good. It is done, and just publish it. It may work this time, but it needs to be checked, and after that I'll show you the rest of information, rest of settings. So this is a bit long video, but this is adding a very important feature at your website, so just bear with me, since testing is also going on side by side, and you have to rectify all such issues if there is any. Okay, it is really a very wonderful and effective system, and which don't need any human intervention, and it is collecting leads for you. And now I'm again clicking book an appointment, and now it is fine. Okay, that is wonderful. So the problem was just we not selected what is your email address, so it is fine now. And as I shown you, you have to select what is your email address. Again I can show you so that you may not get confused. The issue was you have to select invite email question, so this is very important. So selecting this is very important. This is why it was not working initially. Okay, good. So we can take a appointment, and okay, so we can simply confirm it, and now it will show your appointment is confirmed. And this is very important feature if your business allow some appointment like activities, so you must use this feature. And now it is good. Okay, so let us see what email we got. Again, this is very important, and yes, we have some emails. So Cloudflare, so this is the response from correct chat, and we have got this lead in at our email. This is wonderful. And again, appointment notification, and this is of course with an appointment. And the another feature is cancel this appointment, so it is also good. And at the visitor end, they will get add to Google Calendar option with this email confirmation, so that visitor may be notified well in time to the Google Calendar. And this is really very important. So you can see this appointment is here, appointment is fixed is here. So if you are administrator, you can add it on Google Calendar, and in the similar manner, the user will also seeing the same message. They can add the appointment to the Google Calendar, and it is really a very wonderful system. And yes, so the configuration and function is working very fine as you've seen. And we got this chat features at our website. And now I'll show you some additional setting we may that may further increase the acquisition and the interaction. So we have already used the share option. Now integration option is here. So Zyper and Webhook and MailChimp, Google Sheets all are available, but some are paid, and I don't think you need these services exactly. Setting is important thing, so I'll show you the settings. In the general setting, save response on server. So why it is so, I'll show you. Because it is collecting all the transcript of chat here, and I'm going to show you behavior and notification. Okay, it is not notification. Okay, so results. So in the results you will get all the, this is being the dashboard, and this is being the responses. So whatever the chat is being delivered at your email ID, it will be saved on here as well. So, and you can export all the collected leads and information to Excel file in CSV format. This is very, again, this is very wonderful feature. So you can create a database for your of your website visitors and all email IDs and phone numbers and what they actually want and what discussion was held. So with the robot, it is being collected here. This is why this setting tab in general setting, save response on server is important. Okay, so enable bot is always on, and you can use the progress bar just to show the visitors how many questions are remaining if you want to do so. And bot type, I recommend to keep it visit. You can use chatbot or embed as well, and you can name your bot as well, so we can keep it WP themes in our case, and it is fine. So we can publish it now. Again, now next setting is notification. This is also very important, and another feature is important here. Send incomplete responses. Let us say visitors does not complete the complete form, and visitors don't fills all the information which is being asked by the bot, and he or she just fills one or two test name and skips, and he skips filling rest of question, and he just closes the chat. This is also very important. If he fills the email address at least, so test.@test.com, you can catch them even the visitor has not filled the complete information, and he closes the chat. Let us say in that case, if send incomplete responses is on, you will get the response over your mail. So we just save. This is why it will not come to the email of in our case, but if it was on, it will certainly come to the come at your email address. Okay, so that is also very important setting. And okay, where is this setting? Okay, so that need to be done. Okay, so these all settings can be done through the dashboard. And behavior again, so behavior is another important thing. Let us say the visitors comes to your website but does not respond to this message, or this message does not pulls the visitor attraction. What we can do? Let us say visitor remains at your website for 2 or 3 seconds. So what we can do? We can set attraction time, so the pop-up will open automatically after these seconds. So let us say we are setting this at after 3 seconds, the pop-up should be blocked, and we can see set it. Let us see 3 seconds. Okay, and even when the visitor is trying to leave the page without responding the chatbot, we can check this. So let us see the impact. I am just saving this both and refreshing the page. Okay, so it is set to 3 seconds. And the cookies are not enabled in this case. And let us see, I am leaving this page, whether it works or not. Let me hard refresh it. It should work. Okay, so okay, so I am so sorry. So I have already responded. This we have already responded on this chat. This is why the 3-second impact is not working. Let us open it on a private browser again. Okay, yes, it is working. After just 3 seconds, you can set any time. After 3 seconds, it got popped up. Okay, and if again visitors is trying to leave the page, like we crossed this and leaving this page, but it is not allowed because 3 seconds is set. This is why. And if the visitor trying to leave this page, he can leave because that time the 3 seconds was more effective. So those both setting will certainly works. And again, behavior is these two settings. I recommend you to check at least on user leave or set a time. Both you can use. And next is targeting. So where should the widget appear? Show on percentage or ad. Okay, so you can set where the widget should appear on page, like percentage of page, 40%, 30%. You can keep it here and hide on, like on a certain part of page, certain scroll part of page, like on 40% you want to show this widget, and on 80% you can hide this widget. This is for you. And like you can put at 40% here, so you can add 40% or 80% you can hide. And who should see this widget? So for visitors who have viewed 2 pages of your website, and you can set is at browsers, OS, devices, UTM tags. Like UTM tags is important in that case. If you are running a certain campaign on, let us say, Google or email campaign, you can set UTM tags, and the chatbot will be visible to the UTM tags URLs, and for non UTMs it will not be visible. It is very good setting. And referrals, so locations, you can again set IP addresses. You can add IP addresses to show in the chat system only a particular or multiple IP addresses. And you can even hide on certain IP addresses, UTM and devices, or even operating system, browsers and visitors. So this is very wonderful setting. And you can set a start and end date of this chatbot. So this is also good. So workspaces are basically paid feature. So this is no sorry, it is not paid feature. So this is what workspaces, and we named our bot as WP themes. And okay, so this is account, and it is a free account, and I am using this. So the main restriction is that you can use 50 responses in a month if you are using the free account, and you can change plan. Just 50 responses is, I believe, if you are having a very simple website, 50 responses can be more than enough, and you can change the plan. It is good that if you are getting more responses, you can pay more responses. That means you are earning much, and you can pay in that case, and you can change plan as well. So free is 50 responses per month, and here is the pricing plan. And just in case, and in $24 per month you can have up to 5 responses. So this is also very good, and the cost is reasonable, so don't worry for that, and the money back policies also. So enjoy the free tier. And okay, so I can give you another tweak. If you reach the free responses in a certain account, you can make another account and you can simply implement or copy the same setting to that account for getting another 50, and similarly you can have 3 or 4 accounts. That is not a restriction. This is not a domain based setting, so you can create n number of accounts and every time you will get 50 responses. But yes, it is going to be difficult to maintain all those accounts, but if you really don't want to pay, this is the solution. And 50 up to 50 responses, it is absolutely free and for lifetime free, so nothing is hidden, it is lifetime free. Collect Chat works very fine, and I have shown you every feature and it works very good on the website as well. So enjoy collecting new leads for business acquisition, and you are really going to be benefited using this feature at your website, I am sure, and you are going to generate more business, generate more money with this feature. And this is really a wonderful call to action for collecting the leads for your business. And I believe I have shown you everything and every setting is here. So you might have certain questions regarding this feature and plugin and setting pattern, so just feel free to write in the comment section of this video. I will try my level best to reply your queries, and best thing is that you can follow the link given in the description of this video to get direct in touch with me in 1:1 manner. That can be more helpful for you, because I always respond my emails coming through the link given in the description, so that is good. And again, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, you can subscribe, because I am going to bring some more wonderful things for lead generation and digital marketing stuff, website enhancement plans and plugins, utilities and everything for your WordPress website. Keep watching, keep building better web. Thank you.